little clean my fridge with me. So somebody spilled something, coffee, I think somebody put in there and they just left it. So yeah, it just keep leaving stuff and it's very nasty. It's something they left in here on the side of the door, and I don't know, it's just all over. So I got my my hot water, little dish soap, and also a little cap full of bleach, and I'll start scrubbing. So the aftermath, not bad. That part fell, so I'm gonna be getting some more things for this, but usually. So yeah, back on there. Yeah, this is all the vegetables over here. Then I got some fish on this side, turkey, got the lamb out. Yeah, so that's it, and then I just wipe down the fridge. They be putting their hands on it.